that's the spirit of Flugtag. Here we are. What's your name?
Holly Albert.
Holly, what is the theme here of your craft?
It's around the world. Basically, it's kind of a sci-fi with a comic twist.
Captain's log starting 12103.7. Our scouting mission has taken a twisted turn as we have been attacked by a swarm of crappy homemade flying machines. Fortunately, most of our attackers have ended up within the abyss below, and it's only a matter of time before the others upgrade their shields with additional duct tape and return to finish us off. Captain, the RIA are coming for another strike. Those bastards! Who are the RIA again? I told you, sir, the RIAA. They subpoenaed us for downloading this theme song over the web. Right. Can we hold them off? With what? Play something from the Village People. Nobody cares about that crap.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA.
Captain, another crappy homemade craft is approaching. Great, just what we need now. Where is it? Over there, Captain.
It must be a small ship.
How many times do I have to tell you size doesn't matter? It's all in the handling. The warp cells have been damaged. Disconnect and release them before they blow. We'll have to make a run for it. The ship is too damaged to take all of us. I'll have to leave the rest of you behind. See you on the reruns.
Captain, wait. I'll see you in the next crappy sequel. Give me full warp power. Everyone, fire your weapons.
Around the world, there they go! And their judges have spoken, James. We've got some 7s, 8, a couple 9s. Now the craft was unmanned, so I don't know, James. It went pretty far.
Oh boy. Matt, you got $100 I could borrow?
Sorry, buddy. That's quite the flight. You got some guys down there, don't you?
Yeah, these are the guys that came from Utah and hooked up with our buddy, and then they hopped into something that looked like a bathtub with a half an airplane on the back or something.